Today we're making this beautiful, delicious, super soft bread. That's very easy to make and I hope you're going to give it a try. Just look at it. Let's get started. In my sun mixer, I added in warm milk. Please make sure your milk is warm. Sugar, dry active yeast. I then stirred till everything has come together and then I added in egg. I'll stir again, make sure everything is well combined before going in with the dry ingredients. So I went in with the flour, powdered milk, and lastly I added in salt. I then attached the hook and then I let this work for at least 5 minutes. And of course you can make everything by hands, so if you don't have the machine you can do it with your hands. After 5 minutes I added in softened butter and then I let it work for extra 5 to 7 minutes again. But please, if you are making it by hands, just knead it for some minutes. You want a stretchy dough. When done, cover it with a cling film and then let it rest for at least 1 hour until it has doubled in size. Once it has doubled in size, sponge to deflate the dough, transfer it on your work surface and divide it into smaller pieces. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So I divided it into 12 equal parts. It was around 60 to 70 grams each. If you want it more bigger, you can go in for 80 or 90 grams each. When done, bring one, roll it in a ball shape and then cover the rest with a cling film. So bring one out and then transfer it on your work surface. Go in with the rolling pin and roll it. You want it very flat. It should be less than 1 millimeter the thickness, and then roll it in the long sausage shape as seen in the video and pinch the edge together. So if you want to make that flower shape, make sure you roll it very thin and use your palm to flatten it, to smoothen it well. So that flower shape, all you have to do is to make something like you're tying a knot and then push it in. Just watch the video carefully. When done, bring the two edges together and then pinch together. That's it. It's very simple, very easy, and you are good to go. I hope you will try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Cover it with a cling film again and then let it rest for at least 1 hour until it has doubled in size. Before baking, brush on top with an egg wash and then sprinkle sesame seeds on it. If you want, you can do it without the sesame seeds, but bake this bad boys at 180 degrees Celsius from 12 to 15 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius from 12 to 15 minutes, and then that's it, guys. When done, all you have to do is to brush on top with melted butter and you're good to go. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. This bread turned out super soft, super delicious, and you will love it. Please try it and let me know the outcome. See you in my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share. Bye bye.